I didn't realize this at the time. I thought I got just a fix-it ticket for my window tint violation. I have an actual citation with a court appearance, like a scheduled court appearance, and if I don't show up, they can issue a warrant out for my arrest for a window tint. Let that sink in. I have a court appearance, and I could go to jail for a window tint. Oscar, buddy, you might be an orphan, dude. I'm a hardened criminal. And just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. I have to pay it for my sins. I am guilty as charged. I admit defeat. The legal tent law in the state of Utah is 43%. Ford Raptor, we're at 13%. I'm a has-been, I'm done for. Lock me up. We're back, baby, we're back. We have a major issue at hand. My entire car collection is illegal, and I know the Utah Highway Patrol is like watching me like a hawk. If I slip up, if I trip up, they're watching these videos, they're gonna know. So we gotta comply, we gotta abide by the law just as we always should have. It's a dumb law, I've already said that, but we gotta comply because unfortunately, I feel as though they might make an example of me, and I don't think we do well in jail. So the Raptor, the Urus, both Aventadors, the Bugatti, the Nissan GTR, the Tesla, the Gallardo, the Gladiator, all have illegal window tint. We gotta strip it off all the cars. So naturally, I cut my fingernails this morning, and now we have to rip window tint off 8 different cars. I have razor blades at my warehouse, but that would involve driving an hour, and I'm feeling incredibly lazy. So we're just gonna go with the fingernail method for now. In theory, we just give it a little pull. Yes. That's how we do it, boys. If you guys have not seen the video, I'm gonna link it below. Go watch the interaction I had with the Utah Highway Patrol. The traffic stop took like 30 minutes because his tent reader ran out of batteries. In retrospect, I should have ripped off the window tint while he was pulling me over. It's that easy. It just hurts the soul. Oh, come on. Oh. Every time I get in my Raptor now, it's gonna be 15 degrees warmer. I just realized the citation doesn't actually have a date and a time for my court appearance. It just has an address and it says to show up. So that's what we're gonna do. Also, Fishbowl Nation, goodness. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you'll know it's not my first time here, not my first rodeo. I know a lot of you guys are gonna tell me to stop complaining, boo-hoo, comply with the law, and stop whining like a little baby. And that's true. But it's fun to complain. I'm human, okay? It's kind of fun to complain. Kingdom come, welcome to the Draper City Courts. My time is done. We're getting locked up. Your boy is free, we are back in business. Okay, so I may have misspoke earlier. I thought this was an actual citation. It was a fix-it ticket. We didn't have to pay a fine. Case dismissed. Now the Raptor might be a fishbowl, but it's a legal fishbowl. For a second there, I thought Oscar was gonna have to go to foster care. Now we have 7 other cars that are illegal that we still gotta fix. We have a pink i8, okay. Respect, bubblegum pink, baby. Well, Fishbowl Nation, we're back, baby, we're back. It looks so terrible. It looks so awful. Utah is the 2nd driest state in the nation, one of the hottest states in the nation, and we're living in a fishbowl. 1 car down, 7 more to go, and on that bombshell, I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by ShipStation. I've been personally using ShipStation for the last 1.5 years on StradMerch, and it has completely changed my business. We just dropped the new Stradburger t-shirt. We sold like 200 plus of them in just a couple hours, and you guys receive your shirts ASAP, and that's because of ShipStation. Guys, maybe you have a small business, maybe you have a large business, and you're shipping out like 10,000 plus packages a week. Either or, anywhere in between, ShipStation is gonna revolutionize your shipping logistics. It's gonna make it faster, more efficient, and it's gonna save you and your customers time and money. Now here's what's so cool about ShipStation. You can actually funnel all of your sales from all your different sales channels into one simple interface. Let's say, for example, you sell products on Amazon and Etsy, and you have your own website. You can funnel all those orders into one simple interface that you manage on your cell phone from anywhere in the world. And another really cool perk of ShipStation, you get access to deeply discounted shipping rates with all the major carriers, USPS, UPS, FedEx. Usually these shipping rates are reserved for Fortune 500 companies, and there's all these contracts and commitments. Well, with ShipStation, you get the discounted rates and you don't got to deal with the nonsense. And it's really just that easy. Ship more in less time using ShipStation. Using my offer code StradMan, you guys can get a 60-day free trial. That's 2 months hassle-free, stress-free shipping. Go to ShipStation.com, click on the microphone at the top of the page, type in StradMan, and make ship happen. Guys, check out that link below. This is so sad. I have to remove the window tint off all 3 of these cars. Not only does the window tint look amazing, it's actually really functional. It keeps the interiors of the cars way cooler. You don't have to use air conditioning as much. Honestly, window tint is one of the best things you can do for the environment because you get way better gas mileage by not using the AC. It also protects the interior. But unfortunately, here in the state of Utah, They don't believe in that. Well, I honestly like, why am I so triggered? I said I wasn't gonna complain anymore, yet here I am complaining. Oh, we're gonna be driving around in a fishbowl. Everyone's gonna laugh at us. I mean, they already kind of do, but even more so. I also want to point out, I bought these two cars as is with their illegal window tint. So I did not install the window tint there on the Veyron. I didn't install it there on the Urus. Now the Aventador, I am guilty as charged. I just want to point out, like, I'm not the only one. I don't know. I don't know. Look at it. It looks ridiculous. People are gonna make fun of me. It looks so ridiculous. Now, I think it might be time for me to move to Arizona. You can see the orange interior so well now. Oh, are you kidding me? I am done complaining for the rest of the video, okay? I've complained way too much. It's a dumb law. Wait, what? I'm just kidding. The deed is done. I'm legal. 100% legal. At least on these three cars. We got, what, 3 more? Of the 3, I think the Bugatti might hide it the best. The Urus doesn't look great, doesn't look terrible, but the Aventador is so bad. That orange interior, the contrast is very, very harsh. So, we still have the GTR, we have the Gladiator, the Gallardo, and the Tesla. So this is an odd transition. It's a new day. It's actually 2 days later. We're in a different state. We're in the beautiful state of California. We're at Monterey Car Week. We have the Jeep Gladiator 6x6 and the boys are here. We're back, baby. We're back. We never left, but we're back. Now the OG subscribers will know that Monterey Car Week is the best week of the entire year. Basically, there are hypercars and supercars driving around everywhere. And who it is, out of nowhere, Lambo Jesus himself with that brilliant exhaust. My guy, modern day Batman right there. We got Naderade, we got South Valley Photo, and we're headed that way. This is pretty standard Monterey Car Week right now. We're trying to fill up the 6x6 Gladiator, and we got a Performante in the way. The problem is, we're averaging 6.4 miles to the gallon. Let's get it, let's get it! Come on, come on! Hear that supercharger one? Brakes, brakes. Why is Alex going so slow? He wants to hear that exhaust. And we are currently averaging 1 mile to the gallon right there. Count it, ladies and gentlemen, 1 mile to the gallon. Look at that wide body Urus. It looks squatted right now. I'm pretty sure that's the 1016 wide body. That looks crazy. That looks so sick. We definitely need to wide body the Urus. Carbon hood and everything. We have a Bugatti Chiron just dumped and a McLaren Senna. Look at that. No big deal. No big deal. Out of nowhere, we have the P45. Are you kidding me? What? What? I don't know, guys. Like, the new Black Series is so crazy. I love this fatty wing. I love AMGs, but there's nothing like a Lamborghini. That thing sounds so good. I gotta admit, guys, I'm starting to get a hankering for a Mercedes. That Black Series is sick, but an SLR with a Fab Design wide body kit might be the move. I think these trade for what? $300,000. The kit must be what? $50,000? That thing is sick. What do you guys think? Fab Design SLR, yay or nay? I feel as though we're getting some mixed signals. We've seen a lot of P1s, and this guy is balling out in race mode. Look at that. Casual Aventador right there. Not like a V12, but a twin turbo V8. The Bugatti's for sale. I don't know, guys. I want that P1. I know we just wrapped the Urus satin red, but I don't know. We might need to paint it blue Cephas would be sick. This is the year of the new 4 GT. As Lambo Jesus would say, it looks like it's been sculpted. Honestly, if I had to pick one of the photos, I'd definitely be going with Gabe. These idiots. Oh, come on, bro. What are you doing? You're embarrassing me in front of my friends. Whoa. Hey, so we are definitely not illegally parked, but check this out, ladies and gentlemen. We're just out here chasing those Pebble Beach views on views, the 6x6. This is so sick. Legally, illegally, I don't know if we're allowed to park here, but it looks safe. I almost would reckon that the Black Series wing might be actually bigger than the McLaren Senna. I don't know, I don't have my tape measure on me, but that wing is massive. This car is so sick. Definitely love the Black Series, but the Senna, I mean, it's the Senna. Well, fellas, we got some good news and we got some bad news. The good news, there's a LaFerrari Aperta right over there. The bad news, the brand new Ford Bronco. So I pre-ordered one of these about a year and a half ago, and as of last week, I canceled it. Now, originally I was scheduled to get my Bronco back in like January, and then it was delayed until the summer, and now it's been delayed another 4 months. So this is the soft top one. I want to get the hard top, and for whatever reason, I think because of COVID, you can't get the hard top, so I really wanted the hard top, so I just decided to cancel it. Someday, one day, I might buy one, I might not. Spanish Bay always has like some of the best cars in the entire world, but check this out, the Lamborghini Countach. A lot of you guys might know, a lot of you guys might not know, Lamborghini is introducing an Anniversario Countach tomorrow at the Quail. There's a bunch of photos that have already been leaked on the interwebs, but for me, there's nothing quite like the original Countach. The new one is cool, but this one right here, this is gold. I've been having a lot of conversations with myself as of late. The Bugatti Veyron is officially for sale. I don't know if you guys know, Bugatti Veyron is officially for sale. I mean, I am the Stradman. This is a Stradale. It's got 1,000 horsepower. I don't know, I might do it. Now, all these Ferraris are cool, but check this out. The 177. Oh my gosh. Dude, this looks so sick. Might be the coolest back end in the world. There's 77 of those in the world. One of them crashed, actually. 76. And of course, just casual, we got the 600 LT and the LaFerrari Aperta. The LaFerrari. The Ferrari. Still a dumb name, but it's still one of the coolest cars in the entire world. $7 million right there. And of course, the Super Veloce Jota. Ooh, I'm exhausted. Monterey Car Week, day number 1 is done. Kind of an odd video starting off in Utah, but we're now here in California. We got 3-4 more days of Monterey Car Week. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.